Okay, today I'm going to help you with our social studies activity, and you're going to be reading this book. It's called A King's Guide. And let me take you to slide 11. On slide 11 in your social studies assignment slideshow, it's called A King's Guide, and you're going to click on this link. It'll take you to the school library website. And we're not using Capstone this time, but we're using Learner Digital. You notice that the username and password are the same as, it's the same as Capstone. So it's Middlealani MS for both username and password. So when you click on this link, it'll take you to our school website. Nope, it'll take you actually to Learner Digital. And when you get to Learner Digital, after logging in with Middlealani MS, be sure to search for A King's Guide. And this is what the book looks like. The book looks like this, and it's about 35 pages long. So as you read the book, you're going to be answering the questions on slides 11, 12, and 13. Okay, so question number 1. So if you look at the heading in bold, writing down my rules, you'll notice in the Learner Digital book that there are headings in the book as well. So those are big clues as to where you can find the answers. Number 1, who writes down the king's rules? Number 2, what do they write with and write on? 3, what is trepanning? I don't know how to say it, sorry guys. Number 4, what does the doctor suggest? The next section, how to become a medieval king? How did the king bend the rules in becoming king? Number 2, historians date the Middle Ages from blank to blank century. My power comes from God. What must people do as they enter and leave the king's chamber? Number 2, what makes a chapel beautiful? 3 things. Slide 12, my scheming court. Who runs the country when the king is away? Number 2, what do the ministers advise on? Number 3, what are fiefdoms? 4, what do royal couriers do? 5, why are messages usually given by word of mouth? Law and order, or how I keep law and order. What is a tithe? I'm the king of the castle. Why were turret staircases built clockwise? I lead from the front. What was used to cause a concussion to a soldier without piercing his helmet? 2, why was the crossbow the best weapon? And slide 13. Let's see, I think I missed something here. Slide 13. I'm a really fussy eater. Who sits farthest away from the king? And last, 10 more fiendish kings. Which king tried to seize the throne from his brother, Richard the Lionheart? 2, which king set up the Inquisition, which persecuted non-Catholic Christians and condemned them to torture, banishment, or being burned at the stake? So these are the questions that you're going to answer as you read A King's Guide. What you should also be working on is your draft for your historical figure poster. And the your teacher gave you yesterday when you came in person your historical figure paper. Okay, so you should be doing it in pencil first, and you do have a few days to work on it. The King's Guide, however, you're going to work on it today and tomorrow in class. Okay, thank you very much.